Hi, welcome to the Eastern Gateway building. This is one of our newest buildings on campus, and it's home to the Brunel Business School, as well as holding the main reception. So if you're lost, or you just need a safe space, this is a great place to come. We also have some bus stations to our left, so it has the U1, 2, 4, and 7. At the Eastern Gateway building, we have our main reception, the Beldam restaurant, as well as the Starbucks cafe, as well as an outdoor seating area, and one of our main lecture auditoriums that holds more than 200 plus students.
This is ISC, our multi-million-pound indoor athletics center, which has recently undergone £500,000 refurbishment in 2020, which remains our centerpiece of our sports facilities. With 132-meter, 6-lane sprints and hurdles, long jump, triple jump, jump pit, high jump, pole vault, and a polymetric surface.
The IAC has a brand new strength and conditioning area, as well as a designated weightlifting area. It's one of the UK Athletics regional performance centres and is the chosen training area of some of the UK's finest athletes. At the Sports Centre, we have two multi-purpose sports halls that are suitable for basketball, volleyball, futsal, badminton, and many other sports. Both of our sports halls are well equipped and have sprung flooring. We also have multiple squash courts, and my personal favorite, a rock climbing wall. There's also a well-equipped gym with all of the high-quality equipment that you would find in your local gym. There's plenty of opportunities for Brunel students to stay active.
Hi guys, welcome to the Lecture Center. The Lecture Center is located right in the center of campus. It's also our main teaching hub. Let's go and have a look inside. Most lectures are held here within our 6-tiered lecture theatres or in the other smaller range of classrooms, which could be used for seminars or other smaller lectures as well. These rooms could also be booked by the students themselves for some society events or any other events in general. Let's go and have a look inside in one of the rooms.
This is one of our 60 lecture theatres with a capacity up to 150, and we also have flat classrooms with a capacity up to 40. The lecture centre is a home for the media teaching centre and also a computer study area on the ground floor.
In the middle of our campus, we have the library. We have the computer support team here, which can help you with any computer issues that come up. And we also have the Professional Development Center, which can help you with things like your resume, cover letter, and interview prep. I think they also have books. Shh. In the library, we have various studying areas, ranging from complete silence on the 4th floor to group and social studying areas. We also have bookable rooms where you can work on those group projects, computers, and library support staff. And if you need a coffee while you're studying, luckily 1966 is on the ground floor and connected, so it's nice and easy to have a quick break.
The Hamilton Center is the focal point of the student life on campus. It houses the Junior Brunel students who run social events and sports clubs, and much more.
The Hamilton Center holds so much. This includes Costcutter, where you can get your groceries. We have Venue. This is a great social space that also doubles up as a nightclub. We also have Locos. This is a really fun campus bar where we have events like karaoke every Tuesday. We also have restaurants like Izzy's Pizza and Tortilla and many more.
The Jonkrung Gardens are another social point of Brunel University campus. There are a lot of trees and greenery, so this place is used for a lot of events. And off to the side, there's an outdoor gym.
The The outdoor gym is free to use by all of our students on campus. It's also a great place to stay active if you don't want to join the gym indoors. This is our Isambard social areas. Over here we have our ping pong tables, our seating areas for students to socialize, and just behind me we have our Starbucks and Costcutters.
This is the accommodation office where students are able to seek support regarding anything accommodation related.